Good morning everyone, Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to yet another episode of Countdown Christmas. This is number 14. Okay, so it is 8:20 in the morning. House is clean already. We had breakfast, I'm all dressed, mom is in the shower. We are taking her down to Princeton today. So she knows what we're doing and I'm going to tell you, but there's a surprise she doesn't know about. So we're going to Princeton and it's going to take us about an hour and 15 minutes there. But at 11 o'clock on the dot, I have reserved for a private house tour of the governor's house in Princeton. Drumthwacket is the name of it. So the only thing is that it's a Christmas tour. It's public. But they give you group tours, private group tours, only for 10 people at a time. And I believe they only do it 5 days in the year. And today is actually the last day. There's another tour after us, but that's it. So I managed to get four seats for Scott, myself, mom, and a friend. And we're going there. We're going to visit the house. The only problem is that they don't allow for photography or filming in there. So what I'll do is that I'll take some of the pictures that are on their website and I will insert them so you can see what it looks like inside. But basically, it's a federal decor, early American federal decor, and it's entirely decorated for Christmas. So it's going to be beautiful, I hope. We're only visiting the first floor, you know, like the parlor, library, things, dining room, yes, things like that. And then we plan on going to lunch in Princeton at the Pancake House. The surprise she doesn't know about is that we have a friend who lives here, Bea from Tasso Apiary, and I'll put the link down below. They have the best honey you can find in New Jersey, if not in the US. It's excellent honey. They have a farm here. They're both French, her and husband, and they've become friend of mine many years ago. And of course they met mom, so they've become friends with mom. And Bea is already invited to come over for a lunch at my house on the 30th. Her husband can make it because he's working the markets, you know, for selling the honey. But unbeknownst to me, we found out that they have a booth there where they're selling the honey. They are the only honey in New Jersey that's allowed to be sold at the governor's mansion. So her husband is going to be there, and Bea decided to take the day off today so she can meet mom, and mom doesn't know about that, so that's going to be pretty cool. Then again, we'll go into Princeton and then you know, drive around, whatnot. And then later on today, it's Edward's annual concert, you know, musical interlude with Edward. So we'll take mom to that. It's at 7:30. And that's about it for today. Tomorrow, there's a huge surprise that we don't know about from our best friend. So we wear commandeer to make sure we were available. We'll see what that's about. I'm sure it's going to be grandiose as usual. So that's that. Mom is having a good time. I hope you like the videos. We haven't cooked much yet because we're really not in the house, but starting Friday, we're probably going to start cooking a little bit more. Okay, so I'll see you on the road. came here either till I retired.
Je me disais, c'est pas possible, mais c'est du miel.
Hey, surprise!
Vous saviez qu'on venait?
Bien sûr. So we just had lunch. C'était comment la maison du truc? Du gouverneur.
Du gouverneur. Classique.
Okay, she thought the house was very classic. Et la surprise avec Léa?
Oh bah ça, alors là, ça c'était la cerise sur le gâteau.
Yeah, okay, and seeing a friend was cherry on the cake. Okay, so we just finished lunch at PJ's. It was really good. We're finally getting some sunshine here, and now we're going to walk around the campus in Princeton. We want to go see the church, so we'll see that. And I don't know what we're going to do after that. And remember, we got Edward's concert, so I hope you enjoy it. I've done Princeton before on video, but some of you are new and you probably haven't seen it, so it might be a repeat for some of you. I'm sorry.
striking 12 when I'm fast asleep. Down the chimney, broad and black, with your pack, you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. Nellie
So you know we love road trips, right? Because we always take the side roads and we always find stuff. We just got at Simply Grazing Organic Farm and Retail Store. They sell meat and there's pigs in the back. We're gonna see that, but first the store. Okay, so here we go. Mom is trying
No, it's not, that's a technog.
C'est bon.
Tu mens.
Hein?
Tu mens.
Je mens?
Oui.
Non.
Je te connais, tu mens.
C'est pas que je mens, c'est que je trouve bizarre.
C'est dégueulasse, je vois de ça.
Et que-
Ne te force pas à le boire. Hein.
Oui, 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 oui. Ça, c'est une... Ça saute pas. Tu peux... J'espère que tu as mis le son.
Reminds me when I first
Oh my god, this stink.
Yeah, they do.
Je veux bien te caresser, mais tiens. Oui. Ouais, ça va, oui.
Tu vas te laver les mains, ma maman, après. Hein. Ne touche pas,
Il va me mordre, c'est ça le problème. Toi aussi, t'en veux?
Tu vas sentir le cochon.
Mais non, je sentirai pas le cochon. Oh, que c'est beau. Voilà, oui. Comme ça, il voit que je suis pas-
Okay, so we found a garden center. I have no idea which town we are in, but this is really pretty, you guys. I hope you enjoy that. It's 5:30. It's time for coffee. I'm going to start making a quick pasta and leftover for dinner. We're gonna feed Willie first, and then we're heading out to the concert for Edward. So I'm gonna say goodbye now. I hope you enjoyed the day. Mom did enjoy her day. She had a good time. The surprise was great. And she admitted she didn't like the eggnog, so that's good, because I don't know how anybody can drink that. If you're an eggnog drinker, good for you. It's just yucky for me. So I'll see you tomorrow for another big surprise. We'll see what happens. And that would be it, okay? So enjoy the music, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye!